can you expect these authorities to actually do justice? Do you expect a thief to catch himself?
Unong lam kaliang Persha u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula ong ba omla ban shanya ya ka sarkar ban pensange ya ka jingkhayi doyong na mar ba kidei ki bor ba hlor hi ki be don benta kani ka kam bar ka sarkar pdeng ke di ben le AA na ka jingken rei ki kam khayi doyong Be-Aiñ ha ka Jylla Meghalaya ha kani ka samoy ba sinchar ka MDA bailam ke NPP. Habai Crench kilat pathai kubor menta ka khatsan terik rimpang hajar puar u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula ong baka jingyo asuk ya kapisa kanyalam sya ka jingmi kiseng le no thamai ha ka Jylla.
Let us be very clear on this issue. This has been happening for last few years. What you're listening to or what you're hearing from the media reports based on what has probably happened in the preceding few days is only the tip of the iceberg. Even as we say now, illegal mining is going on. Okay? Even as I say now. I will show you a video clip. Okay? And I'll give it to the government. When not just once, but for so many times, not only the opposition, so many people have been drawing the attention of the government. This is exactly what is happening. Okay. Huge. It continues with complete impunity, with no fear. If you expect the authorities who are responsible for emboldening all these illegalities that is happening, how do you expect any evidence to be generated? They will come back and say nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. Now we have proved beyond reasonable doubt that this is happening. And this is happening because of the kind of patronage being given by the people in authorities. Therefore, if the patronage is being given by the authorities, how can you expect these authorities to actually do justice? Do you expect a thief to catch himself? Law of the land must take its own course and protect the interests of the state, protect the interests of the people.
Will it be a poll plank in the coming election, your main?
No, coming election, why should we wait for the elections for this issue? The damage is being done on a daily basis, Therefore, it is not just the state government. I have said, the government of India also should take cognizance of this. Because coal is not a state subject. Okay? It's simple. Therefore, there is also responsibility towards government of India to take cognizance of all these illegalities that is taking place in this part of the country. They cannot say that, okay, the state government is not doing, so they are all insulated from the responsibility. They are also equally responsible. And if they are not doing what they are expected to do, what is the reason? You have the answers. So friends, I'm sorry. The way things are going, the state will be bankrupt. People will have more and more tendency to engage in all illegalities because they further get emboldened because of the stand the government has taken. The stand of the government to be deliberately on denial, constant denial mode. So you can ask the government of the day. You can ask the chief minister. I think there are many other stories which has come out in the recent past, in the preceding days. You can ask the CM. CM is also in charge of the mining and geology department. And CM himself is also in charge of finance. CM himself is also in charge of political department. You can ask him.